Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and this is the first unboxing for 2022, and of course it had to be of the gorgeous new Simply Gilded box. So this is the new format, which started with the February box. Now, as a little side note, I started a new job in December, so unfortunately I no longer work at Simply Gilded, but I absolutely adore Irene. I love the warehouse staff and their products are my favorite, so of course I'm gonna be sharing them with you. And I just received my box, and this new box, which again started in February, has a new price of $30 with shipping for domestic orders. But if you have any questions, please feel free to send an email to customer service at hello@simplygilded.com, and they will be able to assist you. Now, starting on with the box, because I didn't take anything out, because this packaging, I just literally took it out of my mailbox and it's gorgeous. So we no longer have the mailer. We have instead this beautiful box. I mean, the branding on it, the gorgeous flowers, the bow here, that will be your label, the foiling on the box around it. I just covered it with a card, my address. It says Simply Gilded on the side, and then the adorable, you know, the background with the heart right in the middle. I mean, it's just gorgeous. I just love this box, and of course, you know that if I find a way to use it, I will reuse it. And then when you open it up, this is how you will be receiving your monthly box, which of course will be safe, you know, no risk of being damaged. And here we start with the beautiful little journaling card. So this box is smaller than before, and it has kind of like a streamlined version, I would say, of the box. So it includes all the customers' favorites and everything that I know you can use in your monthly planning. But the theme of the month is Café Fleur, and here's an adorable cafe like you would see in France. I just love the color scheme. It's pastel, but it's very muted, so it's a perfect transition from winter to spring. And of course, it had to be a beautiful bow. So these cards, I mean, this card, I would use it definitely for a dashboard, because you know me, but you can always even frame it. I mean, this is super adorable. And then what we're getting is a cute, adorable little notepad. So let me take it out, and I apologize, I didn't take anything out of the packaging this time, so bear with me with the plastic. And here we go. So it says Simply Gilded notepad. It has this super cute little sleeve with the gold foiling, and then it's a very soft peachy pink of little notepads. I go through actually sticky notes like nobody's business. I basically now do my planning for work mostly on sticky notes. So I think I won't use these for that, because they are just too pretty. But you know, I would definitely decorate my you know, my planner with them. It's just, I love this kind of like looks like a beautiful frame with a little bow and then gold foiling, and you get like a really nice amount of sticky notes. And then we're getting washi tapes. Now for the washi tape, I may actually put you know, stop the video for a second and take everything out, so I don't want to bore you. But how gorgeous is this? So now the washi tapes come in a beautiful box, and this is the theme. So we have this kind of striped detail that matches, let me see if yes, it matches the awning of, I mean, how gorgeous is this? This will make such a beautiful gift for somebody. I mean, this is just like your kind of like monthly stationery edit. And inside the box we have all the washi tape for the month again, and they are all beautifully you know, safe and sound. And I see already in here one of my favorite washi tape styles, but I will take a second break and I will remove everything from the packaging, so then I don't basically ruin your day with all this plastic. And I'm back, and I've removed everything from the packaging, so now I can share with you safely all the washi tapes. So here's one of my favorite ones. So this is kind of like a Paris cityscape. We see the Eiffel Tower back there. We see all these little shops and little cafes all around it. It just makes you wanna travel. It's just so pretty. It's very dreamy. I mean, I adore Irene's landscape kind of washi. It's just so pretty. And then we have this one who looks like a cute little tabletop for when you are at, you know, at a restaurant. Actually, this kind of reminds me of the new Animal Crossing recipe app. I don't know if you're still playing Animal Crossing, but I am, and I've been crafting food, you know, like a mad woman. So we have a little eggs, like, is that like avocado toast that looks like waffles? And then I can't see what that is, but it looks like something yummy, but it's super cute. I love the gold foiling on it. Then we have two 5mm, one with the little gold bows that are scattered on a beautiful floral, and then this one with the split top gold, and then again the striped awning kind of color, the yellow and white and the green stripes. And then we have the most gorgeous floral. I think this floral is just so stunning. I love the little flowers. I love how just, you know, the leaves, a part of the leaves is foiled. It's just something very soft and pretty about it. Just beautiful. And then another 10mm, which has the same vertical stripe design with a floral swag in gold foil. And then this is the one that I was saying, that's my favorite. I mean, how pretty is this? I just want, I know that Irene recently released a bunch of the scalloped washi, but they're larger, and I actually need them in all colors because I just love a scallop washi. It's perfect for your kind of dashboard washis, and it just adds a layer, you know, like instead of using like a 5mm bow washi, that's a perfect transition. And then we have the gorgeous engraved gel pen, and again, I love Irene's pens. They write beautifully, and this one has that same beautiful pattern, the white background, gold, you know, metallic, I mean the gold foiling, and it's just so pretty. And of course has a little bow on the top. And then we have the sticker kit, and this sticker kit again is massive as always. So first we're getting a little sheet of heart icons and dates in the striped design. Then we're getting some bow seals in the matching pattern, gold foiling, again stunning. I don't know what's happening to my light, guys. I'm so sorry today. I literally have zero daylight outside. It's just like a big cave, so apologies if this turns out to be darker. Maybe I won't be able to fix it, but here is the 4 full sheets of sticker kits. And again, these are unicorn paper, super soft, buttery. All the colors are very saturated, and we have 9 full boxes. This is my favorite with the little cafe. Then we're coming to this one, which looks like cream puffs, maybe. I don't know, maybe I just want them to be cream puffs because I'm so hungry. Says bon appetit. Yes. And then a beautiful cupcake, a croissant, and then we have some little like washi little sticker tops. That word hasn't come to me at the moment. Then we're having 6 half boxes, 9 quarter boxes, some flags, some headers, and more little washi headers. And then another sheet full of flags, heart checklist, bow checklist, a ton of little mini deco. I love the little swags, and then these little bows are adorable. I use them to make little checklists. And then more icons and flags. And then one more sheet, and this includes 4 full weeks of your days of the week, so 3 in vertical, and the 4th one is here horizontal, plus you're getting 4 more half boxes and more headers. So this is it, guys. I mean, this is kind of like the subscription box edit, and you know, I received it pretty quickly. I mean, mine I think was shipped on Tuesday, and I received it yesterday. So today, while I'm filming today, which is Thursday, and it'll be up on Friday. But so it'll still arrive fairly quickly, and I hope that you know, if you didn't subscribe or you were a subscriber before, that you will come back. This is everything you get. Again, domestic shipping is included in the $30 price. And if you have any questions, reach out to customer service at hello@simplygilded.com. and Michael will be glad to assist you. And I miss you guys. I miss all the emails. I miss all the sweet comments. But again, I will be back here every month sharing with you always everything that's included in the box, because I absolutely love it and I love Irene. Okay, so have a good one. If you have any questions that are not customer service related, always send me a DM at Planningfancy on Instagram, as I answer all DMs. And have a good one. Bye bye.